Nice. That looks good. I don't know what that was, a diner or what? Ah, yeah. Feel that torque. Hey. I'm getting so many waves now that I ride a Harley. It's like half a cone. What? What in the world? Ah, yeah. Look at these views. America. Oh, yeah. Oh wow, that got destroyed from the wind the other day. But geez, that's crazy. Anyways, what's going on YouTube? Dapper Dan here. Another beautiful day here in Colorado. Currently about 55 degrees, so not too chilly. Here we are back on the 48. And in this video, I will tell you guys what mods that I plan on doing to this bike. And it doesn't really need much, but it does need a couple things for sure. Those self-canceling turn signals are so cool, I love it. Alright you guys, this bike does not need very many mods. It's from the factory, it's pretty perfect. But in this video we're going to talk about the things that I want to do to it. And first and foremost, definitely needs an exhaust. Like, I'm not even sure so far how the exhaust node comes through on video, but it is way too quiet. And exhaust is definitely going to be one of the first things it needs. And you got more air leaving the bike, you're going to need more air coming in. So the second mod will probably be some kind of intake. Replace this one. I don't even know how. This one obviously is protected if it rains or something, so it's pretty waterproof. I kind of like those cone ones that are like, I don't know, shaped like that, and it like goes forward. It looks like a car cold air intake. And we're just gonna go around you. I kind of like those ones, but then again I also like the round ones like this, but it's just like a cold air intake filter. It doesn't have all this protection on it. Those ones look pretty good. My knee kind of runs into this filter, so I'm kind of leaning more towards like the cone one that goes forward like that. I'll post a picture up on the screen. Kind of leaning more towards that. And then obviously whenever you do both of those, you probably want to tune the bike, so we'll probably get a tune for it. And then after that, there's not really much else that it actually really needs. Some nice to haves. This headlight is a halogen headlight, so I'd definitely like to change that one out to an LED headlight. See how this does on the corner here. Oh yeah, plenty of grip. That feels super nice. Halogen headlight, definitely replace that. They make like full LED ones that you can just take out the whole light and replace it with a completely different one. I like those. After that, let's see, what else does it need? Oh yeah. So these do not come with passenger pegs at all. I thought they did at first, and you just had to get a seat. So we'll get some passenger pegs and a passenger pylon seat. It already has a black gas cap, which is what I would have gotten myself. Get rid of the chrome one. And it already has an aftermarket plush seat, which is very comfortable. Oh yeah, look, this is so nice. So nice to do that turn. And this bike has zero storage on it. Like my old bobber, it used to have like a compartment down here on the other side of like the battery, but this one has no storage at all. So we might get one of those bags for like the might get one of those bags for like the front forks that go underneath the headlight, or a swing arm bag, one of the two. Just a small bag, doesn't need to be anything fancy. What is this guy doing in the middle of the road? And then for winter riding only, it needs some kind of windscreen. But that would be for winter riding only. And I think that's pretty much it. Eventually, someday, we will probably do the big bore kit. And that kit brings it up to 100 horsepower and 100 torque. And obviously that would be later on down the road, and that would also come with the cam. So you get that nice cammed sound out of it. But yeah, it doesn't need much. Like, the levers are already blacked out. There's not much chrome on it at all. It doesn't need that much to make it perfect. But yeah, we'll get the passenger pegs, and the passenger pylon seat is just like a mini a miniature seat that you put on the back fender. That way we can take it off easily. But yeah, it doesn't need too much at all. It's pretty much perfect from the factory. Wow, that's a nice house. When did they put a roundabout in here? Interesting. Maybe some white wall tires whenever it's time to change out the tires, but I don't know. And they do make a bobber seat for this, but I really like how this plush seat feels. It's so comfortable. I think I'm gonna keep that seat. Ah yeah. 1 second. There we go. Look at these views. Nice. But yeah, I mean, this bike is already pretty nice from the factory. It doesn't need much. I like these mirrors a lot. Like, they go underneath your arms. I don't have to move my arms at all to see behind me. Super nice. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna stop up here and film the intro video, the time lapse, at this spot that I do for all of my bikes. And we'll go over a couple mods that it needs over here. Alright, yeah, so they make bags that go like right here. I don't know if I would do that one. or if I would do one down on the swing arm, because there is zero storage. Like under here is just wires, and on this side is apparently where the oil goes. That's the dipstick right there. But yeah, definitely an intake. I like the cone ones that go forward. Definitely an exhaust. It is way too quiet. The rear pylon seat goes right there. Passenger pegs go in this area. I don't know exactly where they go. And then that's pretty much it. That'll get rid of most of the chrome. Maybe some white wall tires. Oh, look at this. That's the steering lock. I didn't notice that before. But it doesn't even need to be lowered at all. That's pretty much the perfect height. They do make tank risers for this. I might consider getting one of those. I don't know, but I like how that looks. Oh yeah, definitely needs some LED lights, like right here. Some red ones. I think that would look pretty awesome. My old bike had that and I really liked it. I don't know where I would put the switch though. Maybe back here or right there. We'll have to figure that out later. You guys can see the halogen headlight. It's got the Harley Davidson logo right there, which is cool. But this light is just not that bright at all. And I'd put LED lights and everything. Actually, these aren't even... Those are halogen too, so I would put... Oh, and those are halogen on the back too. Oh, okay. Alright, replace all the lights with LEDs. Make it nice and bright. But yeah, other than that, it doesn't need much. The exhaust is the most important thing. That's probably the first thing we're going to do. The one that I want is only like $600. And it'll definitely be a 2-into-1 exhaust. But anyway, guys, thanks for joining me on the mods list that we're going to do to this bike. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If you really liked the video, share it with a friend. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day.